Nandini and I am studying in class 7th. Today I am presenting the Dahi Bhala. This is the bhalle and this is the black sauce and this is green chili sauce and this is sahi. And this is homemade masala and this is curd and this is red sauce. First of all we have to take the bhalle. Now after that we will take the curd. Now we will take the red sauce. And now we will take the red sauce and serve it. And green chili sauce. Now I have the homemade masala. And I have taken the black salt. And now I have taken the shaves. Now our dahi bhalle is ready. Thank you.